Dang, my husband looks good as a civilian. This is Staff Sergeant Eddie Lee Clayton. He retired from the Army in 2015 and now he's teaching aviation mechanics at Ivy Tech in Fort Wayne, Indiana. He's gone from having curly hair when he first joined the Marine Corps in 1981 to having a buzz cut to a high and tight to the gentleman's cut he's sporting now thanks to Livi at the Men's Den on Dupont Road. Not only did he get a dapper new coif, Gentleman's Salon offers discounts to military members and first responders on Wednesdays. This week, though, they're having their annual Customer Appreciation Week that wraps up Saturday night with a fundraiser for the nonprofit group Invisible Vets. I know Invisible Vets because I work with its founder, Jim Garrigan. He and I serve together on the Northeast Indiana Base Community Council. I'm the marketing chair and he's on the executive committee. The Men's Den is a gentleman's salon and spa that offers haircuts, styling, beard trimming, including this funky new comb that uses ozone to get your beard all nice and cleaned up and straightened and detangled, I guess. It's pretty cool. Check it out. And there's going to be other special events going on every day. Monday was double punch card. Tuesday, which is the day I'm recording this, you get a complimentary upgrade to a gentleman's haircut. Relax and enjoy the extra pampering. So with the gentleman's haircut, you get a scalp massage and a couple extra goodies. And then tomorrow, Wednesday, is $10 haircuts for all active and retired military. That's every Wednesday, though. Thursday will be 15% off their body detox exfoliation service. So that sounds pretty cool. That's done in the spa section. And then Friday, they have nose or eyebrow waxing for 10% off. And Saturday will be 15% off all gentlemen's foot therapy services. So I spoke with Tina Brewer, who is the managing partner at Men's Den, and she told me that they wanted to do a philanthropic event. The week kicks off on Saturday the 15th from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. They're going to be holding the fundraiser for Invisible Vets. And they're going to have a silent auction, a putting green, a wine pull, and several other activities to raise money for the organization.
I'm Jim Garrigan with Invisible Vets. Invisible Vets is a local nonprofit where we advocate on behalf of veterans. We were founded under the mission to bring dignity back to our homeless heroes. We had found quite a bit of folks here in town, both men and women, who were suffering PTSD, who were having problems reintegrating back into society after they transitioned out of service. And for whatever reasons they choose or what's driving them to stay on the streets, they're just not comfortable receiving treatment at the VA right now. So we founded Invisible Vets to meet a need that wasn't there, provide comfort to them, spend time talking to them. 4.5 years it has now evolved into us taking care of families affected by veteran suicide. We surround them with love, hospitality, and kind of bring them into our family. Initially, it goes to supplies for the dignity bags. That's our initial mission. We'll never stray from that, although we are fluid in what we do. The majority of the money that comes in, though, really goes to those bags. We change them out seasonally, and they're really high quality bags so that the veteran who's homeless can pack up, move, and not worry about it breaking down. Other monies that come in usually go to the hospitality and memorial casket flags for those families who have experienced a veteran suicide. If we talk about spring, summer, fall that's coming, it is a very high durable rucksack. It's made for being beaten up. And in there are 2 to 3 weeks of high protein snacks, little packets of tuna fish and trail mix bars, usually about 6 bottles of water, toiletries of every need. And we've got bags for men, bags for women, because men don't corner the market on the homelessness. But then they also have a $25 Kroger gift card. And we've been able to work with Kroger Corporate to get a card that is only good for food or gas, so that if we have a veteran who is suffering an addiction, that they can't go and buy alcohol or cigarettes. It's going towards what we intended, to take care of them and their family. You'll also find CityLink bus passes that don't expire. It's an all-day bus pass. They can use it, but there's no expiration date on there. There's a couple MREs in each one. A meal ready to eat. It's the combat meal that a service member gets when they're deployed and a field kitchen can't be set up. But also in the bag, as we're gearing up for summer now, will be sunscreen, bug repellent, wristband, Mylar emergency blankets, because they don't want to carry the big sleeping bags that we give them in the winter. Chapstick, a Bible, a New Testament. We'll have people who donate sunglasses or rain ponchos throughout the year, and they'll go in there as well. But most of what we find out, initially the first couple of years, I would go out where I know the encampments are between 11 o'clock at night, 3 or 4 in the morning, and go and meet with them. And you raise your right hand, you give your time. There should be some things for the rest of your life that come your way. I don't think a veteran should have to qualify for medical care. It's, you did your time in service, and you should be taken care of. She reached out to me, and we agreed to become community partners. And year one, they did an amazing customer appreciation fundraiser, and we were the beneficiaries of that. And then last year, COVID wiped out their plans. So this event on May 15th is kind of a coming out and getting back to normal and trying to recoup the philanthropic giving that we had lost in 2020. I tell you what, the services there, I'm 58 years old, and I've had, I don't know how many haircuts. And these folks, first of all, they thank you every time you go in for your service. They know you by name. They give away their services on Wednesdays. When they take care of veterans, active duty, first responders, firemen, the whole gamut of people who have given back. $10 and $15 for full salon service. You can't beat that, and I know they're losing money on that day. But it's their hearts of gold and their patriotism and their dedication to veterans.
So please come on out to the Men's Den this Saturday, May 15th, from 7 to 11 p.m. The address is 939 East Dupont Road. They're on the corner of Dupont and Coldwater, that little strip mall over there. You can call them at 260-739-7081 or find them on the web at mensdeninc.com.